Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since it's morning here, if you are watching this video at morning time, so good morning to you as well. Otherwise, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Today's topic is related to nice people. The problem with nice people from a philosophical perspective. One of the best topics related to philosophy. So let's get started. The problem with the nice people from a philosophical perspective, we are going to discuss 10 points. The first point is overextending themselves. Do you know nice people often prioritize others' needs over their own, leading to self-sacrifice and potential burnout. Means they are always ready for others people, whatever the situation is. And what happens at the last, even they burn out themselves for others. The second point is lack of assertiveness. They may struggle to assert their boundaries or stand up for themselves, which can result in being taken advantage of by others. And the third point, that is authenticity concerns. Nice people may suppress their true feelings and opinions to avoid conflict. Why they suppress their feelings, their opinions, just for the sake of conflict, to avoid conflict, leading to a lack of genuine interactions. Fourth point is emotional burden. Constantly putting others' happiness first can lead to emotional exhaustion and suppress their own emotional needs. The fifth point, that is enabling unhealthy behavior. Being overly accommodating can enable negative behavior in others, as they may not face consequences for their actions. And the sixth point, that is depending on external validation. Nice people might seek validation and approval from others, leading to a fragile sense of self-worth. They always take suggestions from others just to make them happy. Difficulty saying no, one of the most important point which I consider, that they are unable to say no to others. Their inclination to please others, this is the point, that their inclination to please others can make it hard for them to decline requests, which can lead to taking on too much responsibility. They are unable to say no to others. They always say yes to others. Whatever they are told, they are always ready for that. Perceived as pushovers. Nice people might be seen as weak or easily manipulated by those seeking to exploit their kindness. That is why they are nice. And that is why they are exploited. If you can go back through the history, nice people are always exploited. Why? Because they were kind. And still, if in today's world, nice people are exploited, the reason is that they are kind. They don't want any conflict. Conflict avoidance. They may avoid addressing conflicts directly, which can lead to unresolved issues and strained relationships. The last point, that is unfulfilled personal needs. By prioritizing others, nice people may neglect their own desires and aspirations, leading to a sense of unfulfillment. At the last, we have a short note, that is, it's important to note that while being kind and considerate is a valuable trait, striking a balance between selflessness and self-care is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships and personal well-being. And I have a question for you all, if you have watched this video. So do you come in the category of nice people? Type yes or no in the comments section. So this was all about today's. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If this video has sparked your interest, I suggest you to like, share, comment and do subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.